Do you need some decoration inspiration? Well, this easy beginner sewing project will show you how to make a decorative towel in 10 minutes. Supplies include one hand or bath towel, some decorative fabric, a tape measure, stick pins, scissors, sewing thread, and a sewing machine. A bath towel will be used for this project. Measure the towel's width and then add an inch for the decorative fabric cut. This allows a 0.5-inch fold at the fabric's edges. In this case, it measures 27 inches, so we'll be adding 1 extra inch, which will make it 28 inches of fabric that will be cut for this towel. Next, measure the towel's length and then add 1 inch for the decorative fabric cut. This allows for a 1/2-inch fold at the towel's bottom edge and the top of the band at the 5.5-inch mark. The fabric cut for the length will be 6.5 inches. Sew the decorative fabric at the bottom of the towel, being careful to remove the stick pins as you sew along the edges. Various types of fabric can be used as decorative fabric, and it can be whatever it is that you would like for it to be, because there's lots of beautiful fabric out there, and you can make these decorative towels that people might think you actually purchased at maybe a Bed Bath & Beyond or even Macy's. This is the finished decorative hand towel as well as the decorative bath towel. This particular decorative hand towel reflects a holiday ornament that has been added from the Dollar Tree to make this a beautiful decorative hand towel. This video illustrated how to create lovely holiday decorative towels in 10 minutes. Decorative towels are frequently used in guest bathrooms and powder rooms, adding an elegant touch to a home's decor. They are a great gift for special occasions, including Christmas, housewarmings, and weddings. Decorative towels can also be personalized with monogram letters that can be attached by sewing on or ironing on the towel. Other decorative embellishments can be added as well. For other easy beginner sewing projects, please subscribe to my Sewing with Desi YouTube channel. By doing so, you will receive notification whenever I upload new beginner sewing videos. Thanks, and see you next time.